Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 1 of the winter quest in Dress to Impress. So you are going to just find Santa's workshops. Pretty easy. You just turn right once you spawn in the first chapter, and then for this one you have to gift the toys that is shown on the present. Here I forgot how to do it, but basically there's like train, doll, there's a train and a doll and a bicycle and a dinosaur, and you kind of have to go back and forth and get the presents needed. You will need 7 presents in 1 minute and like something seconds. I don't know how many seconds you need for this, but it's actually pretty easy now because some presents only require one like gift. So just go for that one and you'll have plenty of time to do 7 presents on your own. And then once you have submitted all the presents, you will do this obby. There isn't really a walkthrough, you just have to do this obby. It took me a few tries, but you don't instantly die. There are checkpoints and you can get out of the water like so. And when you're done with the obby, you're just going to go up these peppermint candies, and once you have reached the top, you will be teleported to chapter 2. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Obviously, I will post chapter 2 after this, but it is the easiest chapter. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!